Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to share with you cold apple cider smoothie. So what I have here are 3 apples. In your smoothie, it's your choice if you want to include the skin of the apple or not. Now after that, just put it in your blender and we are going to add a handful of baby spinach. And we're going to add also an inch of ginger. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, but since I don't like too much of it, I just adjust it according to how much I needed for this smoothie. Aside from that, we're going to add 2 scoops of protein powder. This is chocolate in flavor. You can use the vanilla flavor if that is what you want, but since the chocolate is what I have here, then this is I am using for now. Then we're going to add 2 cups of water. And I have here 1/2 lemon. I'm going to juice it. Then add it in our smoothie for today. So this is the juice now. We'll put it together with some of our ingredients. And of course, last, we are going to put a cup of ice cubes for our smoothie.
And we're gonna blend it all together. So what is the smoothie, Mommy? Can you tell us what it is?
It is a cold apple cider smoothie.
Cold apple cider smoothie. And now it's almost done, but it's keeping blending. But when it's not done, you have to wait until it's already done. And then it's done. And we're gonna pour the smoothie into our glass so it will make it nice and tasty. So we always just pour it into our glass that we have our smoothie. Guys, what do you think? Does it look really good? Do you like it, Mommy?
Yes, I do.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, tell us in the comments below which one is your smoothie that you like your best.